What's up, guys? Welcome back to our channel. Welcome to another video. Guys, today is a beautiful day for us to give thanks for life and to appreciate everything that life has to offer. Guys, today, as you can see by the title and also the thumbnail, we'll be doing a quick little visit to Chester Creek. So as you guys would have known, that this is a development being done by Wihcon, and I've given you guys a drive through to the development from Portmore Mall. But persons are still asking, where can they find this development? So if you have not yet watched the first video, you can still go ahead and watch it. However, in this video I'll give you from another direction. So this is from Portmore Pines to Westchester. So guys, I've now given you 2 ways to get to the development. All right, remember that applications went out for phase 1. They are still doing work over there. The building has started to go up, so you guys will see all of that from this video in the drone shot that will be provided. But guys, as for this year, I'm encouraging somebody to support somebody will support you. All right, help that person to grow. If them can't grow no more, show them some love same way, show them some support. So with that said, guys, I'm begging you to just run over to Wihcon Fitness. You can find him on all socials: YouTube, TikTok, Instagram. I will leave in the links down in the description. You can go over there and show him some support, show him some love. We're helping somebody to grow this year, and that we can all be happy and enjoy life. All right, the next person on my list today, or the next business on my list today, is Jamaica Classified Online. Guys, if you're looking for your house to rent, looking for a property to buy, whether it be land, looking for motor vehicle, anything that can sell, I don't think them sell food still, but you can find it on this platform. They're on Instagram. You can download the app, but just go, show your love, show your support, and I'm sure that you will find something there for you. All right, so find somebody this week, this year, today, where you know I show your support. Give them back some love and support. All right, let that be a goal for 2024. So we're going to jump right into the drone shot of Chester Creek. A matter of fact, guys, I'm actually at the park. I'm supposed to be walking, but I'm trying to give you guys a steady video, so I'm just take a break. So make sure that this year you get in your fitness. Follow Wihcon Fitness. You can work out at home, you can go into the gym, you can go to Emancipation Park. Anywhere it is, there's now a challenge going on. There's one that has already gone, but you can still do it. It's online. So show your support, guys. I'm giving you this video so you can see the progress of Chester Creek. So catch this drone shot and I'll see you on the other side of the video. All right, cool. Alright people, so hope you enjoy that piece of drone shot that you just watched. Remember to follow us also on Instagram. Remember to follow us on TikTok. And guys, the journey goes on. This year will be coming bigger and better. I can't stop stressing it because it's our intention to do better for you guys this year. So stay tuned to the channel. Don't miss out on the updates. We've been looking at a few developments and we've been following the progress as the weeks and the months pass. So if you're new, I'm matter of fact enough new people over here. Welcome to the channel. I should have said that in the beginning, but the video not done yet. Thank you guys for subscribing. Remember to like, share, turn on the post notification bell, and we will enjoy this journey together. So guys, remember, show some love, show some support, keep your health up this year, and live happy, be thankful for everything. A matter of fact, I see things them where you pray about, where you never get. Give God thanks same way and bless up yourself. We'll catch you guys in another video, alright? Peace out from Chrisamz.